The rear badges on the 991 Gen 1 are just held on with adhesive from the factory. Porsche has put a proper badge on the front that can easily be replaced to spruce up the look of your vehicle. Let's start with the rear badges. You're going to need some dental floss. It does not need to be waxed or mint, but that is what I had on hand. You want the glue to loosen a little. You can use a hair dryer, but I just like to park the car in the sun for a few hours. Run the floss behind the badges in a sawing manner until the glue lets loose and the badge can be removed. If you are debadging the rear, just clean up the area after. If you are installing new badges, make sure to take lots of measurements before you begin for proper installation of the new badges. The front badge is recessed into the hood. Ours had a clear coat shield installed. Make sure there is no interference with the badge if you have a clear coat shield on your vehicle. Open the hood and use a trim removal tool to gently pry out the plastic clip below the hood mount, red arrow. Use an 8mm socket on an extension and unscrew the 2 speed nuts holding the badge on, red arrows. The old speed nuts may be stuck on the backing. I used a telescoping magnet to remove them. This saves them from falling off and rattling around in the hood. Lift the old badge up and out from the hood. Clean the area well and install the new badge. Do not over-tighten the speed nuts. They can strip, or if they get a good grip on the badge and over-torque them, they can crack the badge. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.